x plus 1 over 2 equal to x minus 3 plus 5 over x. X plus 1 over 2 is equal to x minus 3 plus 5 over x. First of all, let's try and clear this fraction. This is over 1. LCM of 2, 1 and x is 2x. So that if you multiply each of the term of this equation by 2x, you have 2x times x plus 1 over 2 is equal to 2x times x minus 3 over 1 plus 2x times 5 over x. These two will cancel these two. X will cancel s. So I have x times s is s squared. X times 1 is x equal to 2x times s is 2s squared. 2s times negative 3, negative 6s, then plus 2 times 5 is 10. Collecting like terms, we have s squared minus 2x squared plus x plus 6x minus 10 equal to 0. I collected everything from the right hand side and moved them here. S squared minus 2s squared is minus s squared. Then s plus 6s is 7s minus 10 equal to 0. I want to get rid of this minus here, so I'll multiply through by minus 1. So that I have s squared minus 7s plus 10 equal to 0. And now that I arrive at this point, multiply the first term by the constant term, which gives me 10s squared. 2 factors of 10s squared that can add up to this middle term, that will be 5x and 2x. How do we add the two? We have negative 7. Both of them have to be negative. So we replace the middle term with this factor, so I have s squared minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. I'll group it 2 by 2 minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. The plus changes to minus because we introduce brackets. In the first bracket, s is common. S minus 5 minus 2 into s minus 5 equal to 0. S minus 5 is common. Then s minus 2 equal to 0. Either s minus 5 is equal to 0 or s minus 2 is equal to 0. Hence, s is 5 or 2. That's minus 5 crosses to this side, which is 0 plus 5 gives us this. The same thing, minus 2 crosses to this side. 0 plus 2 gives us 2. So our answer is 5 or 2.